Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 3rd of February. We're going to be looking at cable now, sterling dollar, and what we've seen certainly today now is this longer term outlook now under increasing pressure. Big sell-off in the last few minutes actually on the back of that slightly weaker than expected PMI number out of the UK, falling to 56.7. Below the 57 expected, and that has now been is now beginning to confirm that breakdown of the big uptrend that we've seen, and continues this slide that we've seen over the past week or so. The daily technicals are not actually that negative yet. The MACD is still above zero line. The RSI in the low 40s, so it's not all that negative, but certainly the pressure is mounting with the broken uptrend. You're back below this 55-day moving average, which is the first time we've seen since the early November actually, so that is an indication as well that pressure is mounting. And certainly if you look on the intraday chart, this is the move since that PMI data came out. A sharp move to the downside, and again this recovery that we've seen in place since that 63.08 to 66.67. That bull run has now retraced more than 61.8% on the Fibonacci, and certainly suggests that 63.08 now will be retested. Intraday, the RSI is oversold, so maybe it's not the best time to sell this one. You may get a better level, but any sort of bounce back towards that 64.14 resistance level now, I think would be seen as a chance to sell. The intraday technicals are not positive in any way at all. Certainly on this hourly chart, the MACD is well camped below that zero line. The stochastics have got a series of lower highs there, pressurizing, all continuing to move into consistently below this 30 line, the 20 line. So I think that suggests all the downside pressure is in place, but any sort of bounce, I think, in this intraday, which has an opportunity to unwind the RSI, would be seen as a chance to sell. I think this cable chart is beginning to now look fairly weak, certainly intraday, and I think the pressure on 63.08 will be seen. Below 63.08, if you're going to be looking further back, you'd be talking about that key December low at 62.19. So these are the two key levels on the daily chart that we need to be looking out for, but certainly intraday today, following that PMI data, the pressure is to the downside on cable. You may see a bit of a move again in the afternoon with the ISM number at 3 o'clock. Certainly if the ISM number comes up positive for the US PMI, then that would heap further pressure on cable to the downside. So watch out for that at 3 o'clock. So I wish you good luck in your trading of cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.